Welcome to Bookreads, a book review channel for book lovers. We can review books for you without showing off.
It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover has become one of the most talked about books in recent years, and for good reason. This novel deals with heavy themes such as domestic violence and the complicated nature of relationships. Let's take a closer look at what makes this book so powerful. The novel follows Lily Bloom, a young woman who falls in love with a charming and successful man named Ryle Kincaid. As their relationship progresses, Lily begins to notice some troubling patterns in Ryle's behavior. Despite her love for him, she is forced to confront the reality of their situation and make some difficult choices. Colleen Hoover is known for her ability to write compelling and emotional stories, and It Ends With Us is no exception. Through Lily's story, she sheds light on the complex nature of domestic violence and the difficult decisions that victims must make. Hoover's writing is raw and honest, and she doesn't shy away from the uncomfortable truths that come with this topic. Many readers have praised It Ends With Us for its powerful message and its ability to start important conversations about domestic violence. But this book isn't just important, it's also an incredibly engaging and well-written story. Hoover's characters are complex and relatable, and she has a knack for keeping readers invested in the story until the very end. In fact, It Ends With Us has become a popular choice for book clubs and discussion groups, thanks to its thought-provoking themes and compelling characters. This book is a great choice for anyone who wants to explore the difficult but important topic of domestic violence, or for anyone who just loves a well-written and engaging story. It Ends With Us is a powerful and moving novel that will stay with you long after you've turned the last page. Colleen Hoover's writing is both raw and beautiful, and she tells a story that is both heartbreaking and inspiring. If you haven't read this book yet, do yourself a favor and pick up a copy. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.